Hi, and welcome to this webcast. My name is Robert de Bok. I work for Adfinis, and today we're going to show you how to install HashiCorp Vault. HashiCorp Vault can be installed in two different ways. One is using a package, highly recommended. It's much easier to install and maintain, but if that's not possible, you can also download the binary and place it yourself. The package itself contains the software, but it also manages the users and it plays the startup scripts and it plays the sample configuration. Overall, it's just much easier to use the package. And one benefit is that if you update your software with Yammer apt, this package will also be updated. So we're going to demonstrate how to install HashiCorp Vault. Create a newly created machine. Yum utils needs to be there. So Yum utils are now installed. They were required. Manager. Repo. Repo. That's been added. Let's have a look if there's any interesting packages in here. So starting from this line, you see that a couple of pieces of software from HashiCorp have been packaged. Very nice. They were going to install Vault. Vault. Perfect. And the procedure is very similar for Debian or Ubuntu, and for RHEL it's the exact same procedure. So we just need to make sure it starts. That's it. It's installed and it's running. Yeah, so what's in the package? Let's have a look. Vault. There's three files in there. One is a sample configuration, a binary, and the unit file. So you don't have to think about that. That's been done for you. You can also have a look what scripts run on the installation. Look it for yourself, but you see some users being added and deleted if it's been removed. Everything's been taken care of, basically. So that's it. As you can see, it's super easy to install Vault and even keep it up to date. See you later.